Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to add and subtract integers. We will be solving few examples in the video. Before starting the solution, let us first revise the rules for adding and subtracting integers. There are only two simple rules you need to remember, that when the signs are same, numbers get added. If you have two negative signs, then you have to add the two numbers. And if you have two positive signs, then also you have to add the two numbers. And the second rule is, if the signs are different, if one number is positive and the other number is negative, then you have to subtract the two numbers. And the sign in the final answer will be of the bigger number. Here, bigger numbers means only the numerical value we are talking about, not with the sign. So these are the only two rules you have to remember to add or subtract integers. When the signs are same, you have to add the two numbers. When the signs are different, we have to subtract the two numbers. In both the rules, you have to remember that the sign will always be of the bigger number. So let's start with few examples. Our first example is 23 minus 41 plus 11. First two integers are 23 and 41. Here we see that 23 is positive as there is no sign, and minus 41 is a negative number. So one number is positive and the other number is negative. When the number is positive and a negative, we have to subtract the two numbers. So we'll subtract smaller number from the bigger number. So we'll do 41 minus 23. 41 minus 23 is 18. Here if we ignore the sign, we'll only see the numerical value. 23 is smaller than 41. So the bigger number is 41. So the sign will be of the bigger number, which is negative. So negative 18 plus 11. We are done with these two numbers. Now we'll move to next number plus 11. Now we have a positive number and a negative number. So we'll subtract the two numbers. So 18 minus 11 is 7. And out of the two numbers, if we ignore the sign, we have 18 bigger than 11. So that's going to be a negative sign with the answer. So the answer is negative 7. So let's do the second one. Second one is 39 plus 24 minus 15. 39 plus 24, the sign of 39 and 24 both are positive numbers. So we are going to add the two numbers. 39 plus 24 is 63, and sign is positive as both the numbers are positive, minus 15. 63 minus 15. 63 is positive number and 15 is negative number, and 63 is bigger, so the sign will be positive, and we'll subtract the two numbers. So 63 minus 15 is 48. This was pretty simple. So our answer is 48. Let's do the third one. So third example, we have a negative number minus 231 plus 79. One is a positive number and the other one is a negative number. So we'll subtract 79 from 231. So 231 minus 79 is 152. And out of the two numbers, 231 is bigger than 79. The sign will be negative 152. And the next number is plus 51. Now these two are negative and a positive number, so we'll subtract the two numbers. So that's going to be 152 minus 51, which is 101. And here, out of the two numbers, 152 is bigger in numerical value than 51. So the sign will be negative. So that's negative 101. So our final answer is negative 101. Let's solve the fourth example. The fourth example is 44 minus minus 20. So here we have two negative signs. So we'll write the first number 44. Now this negative sign and a negative sign, and there's a parenthesis or a bracket in between. When there's a bracket in between, we are going to multiply the two signs. So negative times negative is positive. The sign will be positive, and then we'll write the number. So 44 plus 20, 44 plus 20 is 64. When we multiply the two negative signs or two positive signs, the sign will be positive. And when we multiply the two signs which are opposite, like plus and a minus, or minus and a plus, then we'll get a negative sign. So here we are multiplying two same signs, then there will be positive sign. Moving on to our last example, which is negative 73 plus 40 minus 22. So here we have negative 73 and positive 40, negative and a positive number. So we'll subtract the two numbers. So 73 minus 40 is 33. And the sign will always be of the bigger number. Here bigger number is 73. So that's negative 33, negative 22. Now we see that here there are two numbers with negative sign. That means the sign of the two numbers is same. When the signs are same, we are going to add the two numbers. So 33 plus 22 is 55. And the sign will always be of the bigger number, which is 33 here. So negative 55 is our final answer. So this is how we add or subtract integers. Let's take a look at the questions once again. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.